Hello, guys. You're welcome to 90 days of becoming a colorist, and this is day 6. And we're doing so great, so good so far. So, today we're going to be looking at separating your image, like separating this image from the background, and it will give you that cinematic look and control. So, just like last time, we talked about color separation. So now, in continuation, we are looking at separating your background from your image. So first of all, you create a node by either you use alternate S or you use add node. Then this is for zoom out and zoom in. Then we can slide this down, then slide up, then create another node. Then on this, the second node you created, you can right click, add parallel node, just like as we did on the previous ones. Then we are going to use this place for our skin, then use this place for our background. So all you can do is select this place, the first node, then go to your HSL qualifier, then click on your highlights, then select the image, then you have to go to your HSL to make the selection well. So something like this, you have to just play around it to get what you want. Play around it. So most times if you select like this and maybe the colors are not allowing you to get a better selection, you can still select draw, then you now start fixing. You can now start fixing it, then reduce this to get a better selection. So you have to make sure the skin is properly selected. Then once you're done with that, at least we can see our skin. Then you blur, blur reduce, then the noise. You just have to, there's no specific number though. For this particular image, I use 60 to 60, 67. Then my denoise is about 20. I don't think there's any specific number. You just do what is going to suit your image. You get? So the next thing is just toggle through, and you can see that my image is selected. Let me add more reduce glow. Okay, that's fine. So when you're done with this, you click on your highlights, then you connect this. This is the skin. You connect it to the third node. Then you now see that the information here is same information here. It's the same thing. So what we just did is we we maxed the skin. We are trying to separate the background from the skin. So this is the process. Though we have other process though, but this is the basic one. This is a quick basic one. So what you're going to do is um, you go to your contrast, pull it in a little, pull it in a little. So this is before and after. Then shadow, increase your shadow a bit, increase your shadow a bit. So this is it. So this is before and after. Let's increase it small, maybe about 20, and reduce our contrast. I think the contrast is too much, so we can have something like this. So you can see the before. This is the after. So see the before. This is how the before looks like, and this is the after. So you can see the after. Then go to, okay, let's try to work on the skin by going to your details, then you reduce it. Okay, let me work with 20. Okay, something like this. At least it's going to smoothen the skin. It's going to smoothen the skin. Then when you're done with that, you head on to your node that represents the background. Then we're going to pull it down a bit towards teal, but we're not going to do it too much, just small, because if you do it too much, it's going to affect your skin. Don't need to do it in a way that it will be too visible. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to add a kind of cool color on the background by doing this. Watch, cool color on the background. Watch, see, I think that if you do it too much, it's going to affect the skin. See, you can choose any color depending on the color mode of your picture. For me, I'm just going to add a little. Let's say it's action. I can do something like this, but it's not an action movie. So I'm going to just slightly slide in blue. Then you can see the before. I think it's just small. You can see the before and after. Then I'll now move to the skin node. go to my log, then increase the midtone towards orange. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to give it this orange look on my skin. So I just gave it this orange look. Just gave it this orange look. But you don't have to do it too much. So this is for the skin and this is my background. So thank you for staying up till this time, and I'll be dropping the next video where I'll review how you're going to control, like using your window to control your color. You can use your window to control your color, and it gives you a better output. Like it gives you a controlled color output. And if you're joining this channel for the first time, please subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends to join. And we are still on 90 days of becoming a colorist. So stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.